In this video, we will present to you the feature hours of work. Hours of work in the manufacturing calendar is an efficient tool for planning work and scheduling manufacturing capacities. Let's see an example. The ironing line in your manufacture has a different schedule than other lines, so you have to create a new calendar for it first. To make the creating of the calendar easier, first copy entries from the assembly line, set criteria for copying, and transfer the entries. When copying the calendar, the ironing line hours of work take over the manufacturing hours of work. For each day, enter the start and end time, work type, and the percentage of resource use. The prepared hours of work are multiplied to the existing calendar of the ironing line. Select the criteria and confirm your choice. This enables you to prepare and edit different hours of work in your calendars quickly and efficiently. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.